What's up, G's? I'm currently waiting. This is my current mini electric dirt bike. I'm currently waiting for a new mini electric dirt bike. Supposedly a lot bigger and heavier than this one, supposedly. But I can't wait to get all that going. But this is basically going to be about these little electric bikes, upgrading them. Just go through my videos. I have turned 49cc petrol dirt bikes to electric dirt bikes for under sort of 600 quid. I have fully upgraded the fun bikes, electric bikes. I've detailed in all different batteries, different controllers, wiring. You just got to look for the channel and find the videos, really. But if you go on my channel and go to videos and just click off the shorts, because there's loads of shorts, just click on just videos, go through. They're the more direct ones. But if you go on shorts and you just scroll through the names, there is a couple the same. But there should be all the information on the channel on how to do this, especially in the upcoming months. And if you want to know how to build, I'm basically going to be building 1,000 to, well, to be fair, including the 49cc dirt bike, I am building technically 500 to 2,000, 3,000 pound electric dirt bike. A lot cheaper than a sale one, probably just as much fun, and yeah, cheaper than a Talaria. And they're all good bikes, don't get me wrong. To me, they're just a bit too big and aggressive. Mind you, look at the size of that back wheel. That's a big back wheel, isn't it? Tiny little chain, but massive back wheel. But yeah, this MXR actually comes stock with a 12-inch rear pit bike and 14-inch front pit bikes. Obviously, for pit bikes, that's a big wheel, if you didn't know. But that's it. Just, yeah, go through the videos and find riding, wheeling, whatever you want to find. And I will see you guys in the next one. But